Do you like to binge watch through an endless offering of videos on YouTube in your free time? Have you ever wanted to find and try a very easy way to generate passive income online? And most important of all, are you truly passionate about Fortnite, Minecraft, GTA, or other video games that are insanely popular at this moment? I'll be sharing with you a surefire money making strategy that combines your desire to earn money conveniently with your highly invested interest in video games. Stay tuned throughout this tutorial to find out how exactly you can earn upwards of $1,000 every week using this Victory Royale worthy technique. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. This user right here got paid $91 very recently, while another earned $116 directly to their PayPal account. The rest got paid two-figure or even three-figure earnings all in one single day. Step 1. Go to YouTube and search for any popular keyword you have in mind. In the search bar, type in the keyword of any interest or niche you want to search for that is really popular with the general public. I want you to think of a well-recognized video game everyone is playing at the moment. There are many popular video games out there, including Among Us, The Sims, Fall Guys, League of Legends, Roblox, GTA, and Minecraft. And for this tutorial, I need you to search for the keyword Fortnite. From there, you'll find a list of videos and shorts about the topic. Step 2. Head over to shrinkme.io to sign up and register your account. Shrinkme.io is a link shortening service platform that allows you to paste any link and have it shortened. It works just like bit.ly and other link shortening platforms. But there's a unique twist. Whenever someone clicks on the shortened link generated by shrinkme.io, you will get paid. How awesome does this sound? Shrinkme.io is the highest paying URL shortener service, with always increasing rates to ensure you get the most of your traffic. It has a low minimum payout of $5, which you can earn back in a matter of minutes. It allows you to cash out earnings to various payment methods that everyone can access, including PayPal, crypto, e-wallets, and bank transfer. And the best part? It's completely free to use. You don't need to pay upfront to explore its features, and all you need to do is shorten a link, share it, and earn a lot of money in the process. The next best thing to do will be to go there at shrinkme.io and sign up for an account using the register option in the top right corner. Simply fill in the required information like your username, email, and password, and agree to the terms and conditions. You may also opt to register with only a few clicks using your Google account. Once your ShrinkMe account is all set, you'll have the opportunity to navigate through the platform's dashboard. This is where you'll track your earnings and get a full scope of the statistics, which also include the total views you've earned and the bonus referral earnings you've generated from the ShrinkMe affiliate program. Step 3. Return to YouTube and find a really popular video within the keyword you've just searched. It can be anything from the latest Fortnite news to reactions and gameplay videos that showcase the newest stuff from its seasonal updates. The more views the video has and the more clicks your link will get, the stronger the guarantee to earn a ton of money online. Not only will you need to pick high-ranking Fortnite-related videos in terms of views, you'll need to choose one that you think looks interesting and entertaining. Once you manage to find a video within the Fortnite niche that piques your interest, And when you're done watching, just click the share button beneath the video and copy the URL with only a touch of a button. Step 4. Go back to shrinkme.io to shorten the link to the video you just watched. Now that we've copied the URL to the video you recently watched on YouTube, return to the ShrinkMe dashboard and click on the new shortened link button on the left side of the screen. From there, you'll need to paste the URL of the YouTube video into the designated space. Below the URL space, you'll find a text box where it says alias. Simply put, alias refers to a unique identifier used in place of a longer URL when creating a shortened URL. Once we click shorten, ShrinkMe will automatically generate the shortened URL that redirects to your video, which will look just like this. Before we go ahead to our final step of this tutorial, let's take a look at shrinkme.io's payout rates. Here you'll get to check the rates for different countries to see how much money you can make per 1,000 views using this website. Greenland seems to have the most earnings per 1,000 views out of all territories on this list by a whopping $22. Ireland comes in a close second at $16. Once you have your shortened link ready, go to a forums page that's popular within your favorite niche and share it with the rest of the world. Go to the forum website called forums.pcgamer.com. The PC Gamer Forum is where gamers discuss gaming topics, ask questions, and share updates and news within the gaming community. Instead, what you should do is take some parts of any recent news article related to Fortnite and incorporate those and the link to your post. After Googling for an article about a recent Fortnite update, copy a few parts from it or its entirety and paste it into a Google Doc. Below the article, include the title of the video you're going to share and the shortened link that leads to it like this. Then copy everything, go back to the PC Gamer Forum, create your post by pasting it all, and publish it. By using the PC Gamer Forum, you can reach out to a larger audience and potentially get thousands of clicks on your post by simply sharing shortened links to the videos you find highly entertaining. To maximize your earnings using YouTube and shrinkme.io, you can search for game forums in Greenland using Google's advanced search feature. From the quick settings icon, go to see all search settings. Then scroll down below to select Greenland as the region. This will allow you to find different game forums in Greenland where you can post the same article template and start generating income. If you keep this one up for a whole week, you may be able to earn over $1,000. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and comment down below as well on what you think. If you want to earn even more money, consider subscribing to The Money Hustle and clicking the bell so you won't miss out on our latest easy money methods that you can do online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.